How to create Gmail account with a phone number. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video will show you the step-by-step guide of how you can create a new Gmail account with a phone number using your laptop or PC. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to create an account, go ahead and open up any browser from your device. I'm going to open up the Chrome browser and then simply go and tap on this profile icon at the top right. And then simply go and tap on add account. Click on create account from this page. Give your first and last name. Select your date of birth. Now simply go ahead and type in your username. Now create a password for your account. And go ahead and skip this page. Now a Gmail account has been created. Click on next. Agree with the terms and condition. And a new Gmail account has been created. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.